Eric Bierry-Holt introduces gptme, a personal AI assistant for the terminal. This tool can run code, edit files, browse the web, and use vision capabilities. It's a local alternative to ChatGPT code interpreter, free from internet access and privacy concerns. gptme supports code execution, file manipulation, web browsing, and image recognition. It's self-correcting and compatible with various LM providers. The AI assistant offers numerous features, including easy extension, extensive testing, and a clean codebase. Use cases include Shell Copilot, development assistance, data analysis, learning, and prototyping. Install gptme with pipx and start by running the command. Explore more examples and usage in the documentation. LLaVA-NeXT is a groundbreaking, open-source project focusing on large multimodal models. It recently released LLaVA-178K, a synthetic dataset for video instruction tuning, featuring 178, 510 caption entries. The project also introduced LLaVA-7B/72B models, which excel on video benchmarks like Video NME and Long Video Bench. LLaVA-1 Vision Chat enhances the chat experience with its 7B/72B models. The LLaVA-1 Vision models achieve state-of-the-art performance on diverse benchmarks, sometimes rivaling top commercial models. The project offers various models and scripts for multi-image, video, and 3D tasks, with strong performance demonstrated in demos and benchmarks. LLaVA-NeXT utilizes SGLang to speed up inference and deployment, making it a back-end API service. For research, the project provides detailed papers and documentation. Usage of the project must comply with the original licenses of the datasets and checkpoints involved. Manim is a powerful animation engine designed for creating explanatory math videos. Developed by the Manim community, it's not affiliated with 3Blue1Brown. This open-source tool allows for precise, programmatic animations. Users can try Manim in an online Jupyter environment or install it locally following specific instructions for their OS. Manim's versatility is showcased through example scenes, like transforming a square into a circle. Command line arguments enhance functionality with options for previewing and faster rendering. Comprehensive documentation is available on Read the Docs, and a Docker image is maintained for ease of use. The community offers help through Discord and Reddit and welcomes contributions, especially in testing and documentation. Manim is double licensed under the MIT license, supporting effective communication of research through mathematical animations. GPT-Pilot is revolutionizing app development. It uses AI to generate most of the code for an app, with developers overseeing the final 5%. This innovative tool aims to utilize large language models to create fully working, production-ready apps. To get started, install Python 3.9+ and follow the simple steps provided. GPT-Pilot can be run in Docker, and it supports PostgreSQL databases. It offers various command line arguments for project management. GPT-Pilot works step by step, similar to a developer, allowing for debugging and issue resolution. It's designed to work at any scale, focusing on relevant code for each task. Discover the Openai-gradio Python package, simplifying the creation of machine learning apps with OpenAI API. Installation is straightforward with pip. Save your OpenAI API key in an environment variable and launch a Gradio interface with a few lines of Python code. Customize the interface with your input and output components. Integrate the interface into larger Gradio web UI using the blocks feature. The library depends on openai-gradio, defining a registry function for Gradio apps. All OpenAI chat API models are compatible. Resolve 401 authentication errors by setting the API token in your Python session. Discover LiveKit's Agents Framework, a powerful tool for creating AI-driven server programs. This framework enables real-time interaction through text, audio, images, and video streaming. It connects with end-user devices via LiveKit sessions, processing and generating various modalities with AI models. Key features include support for popular LLM, transcription, text-to-speech services, and RAG databases. It also offers high-level abstractions for building voice agents with automatic turn detection and interruption handling. LiveKit Agents is compatible with LiveKit's telephony stack for phone calls and includes an integrated load balancing system. Installation is straightforward with pip. A variety of plugins are available for different functionalities, such as text-to-speech and LLM inference. Documentation and example agents are provided to help get started. LiveKit Agents is actively developed and welcomes community contributions. Discover Firecrawl, an API service revolutionizing data extraction. It transforms website URL into clean markdown or structured data. Firecrawl crawls all accessible subpages without a sitemap. Use the gptme's API for hosted services or self-host the backend. Obtain an API key to access powerful features like scraping, crawling, mapping, and media parsing. Firecrawl handles proxies, anti-bot mechanisms, and dynamic content. Its customizability allows for advanced settings like max crawl depth. Reliability is a priority, ensuring you get the data you need. Join the stargazers and explore Firecrawl's capabilities through documentation. Supervision is a powerful tool for computer vision tasks. It allows users to load datasets, draw detections on images or videos, and count detections in zones. Install it easily using pip in a Python environment. Supervision is model agnostic and supports popular libraries like Ultralytics and Transformers. It offers customizable annotators for various visualization needs. The tool also provides utilities for handling datasets in supported formats. Explore tutorials for real-time stream processing and vehicle tracking. Supervision is open source and welcomes contributions. Visit the documentation for more information. Discover the latest research on jailbreak prompts for large language models. The study conducted by Zinushin and colleagues collected prompts from Reddit, Discord, websites, and open-source datasets. Among these, more than 1,000 identified as jailbreak prompts. The data was gathered from December 2022 to December 2023. Researchers used Jailbreak Hub, a new framework, for this comprehensive study. The dataset is now available for research purposes. It's the largest collection of in-the-wild jailbreak prompts to date. The study focuses on 13 forbidden scenarios excluding child sexual abuse. It aims to evaluate the effectiveness of jailbreak prompts. The findings have been responsibly disclosed to related LM vendors. For more details, visit the project's website. Discover NiceGUI, a Python-based UI framework for web browsers. It's perfect for micro web apps, dashboards, robotics, and smart home solutions. NiceGUI offers a wide range of features, including implicit reload on code change, standard GUI elements, and powerful high-level elements for interactive experiences. Installation is simple with a pip command. Use it in development for configuring machine learning algorithms or motor controllers. NiceGUI runs on PyPI, Docker, ContentMarketing, and GitHub. It's built on FastAPI, Starlet, and UVcorn for performance and ease of use. The documentation provides live demos and examples. NiceGUI is an open-source project maintained by contributors and sponsors. NVLM-1.0 is a groundbreaking multimodal large language model that achieves state-of-the-art results on vision language tasks. It rivals leading proprietary models like GPT-4o and open access models like Llama 3v405b and Intern VL2. NVM1 shows improved text-only performance after multimodal training. The model weights and code are open-sourced for the community. NVLM-1.0 performs on par with leading models across vision language and text-only tasks. It demonstrates significant improvements over its text backbone on text-only math and coding benchmarks. The NVLM-10D72B model showcases good instruction-following capability and can generate high-quality, detailed image descriptions. It can understand humor, perform localization, and solve math problems with step-by-step reasoning. NVLM-1.0 is a versatile model that utilizes OCR, reasoning localization, common sense, world knowledge, and coding ability.